Yo, what it do? Solo casting here. I'm over here in Echo Park because I heard and saw on the socials that the fence is coming down. Now, from what it looks like, I don't see a fence on the other side, and I see a fence over here. It seems like they've come to an agreement, because it seems like half of the residents want the fence up and half of it want it down. Kind of a weird, awkward compromise, right? I mean, well, so the word was that it was going to come down on the 31st, and it started coming down already in certain spots. I was at home when I started getting notifications on Reddit and the Nextdoor app. People were saying, "Hey, the fence is already coming down. What's going on?" Because I think it was last week they had a what was it called, like a neighborhood council meeting where the residents were able to voice their opinion. And yeah, I mean, it's split. Half of the residents don't mind the fence being up. They would actually prefer, okay, so this is where that's where the half is. They say residents wouldn't mind the city putting up a like one of those iron fences. Well, it's not really iron, it's kind of like just all steel, but you know, one of those black fences that goes around, it's neatly welded and everything, instead of having one of these pop-up fences. Because there's other parks around here. There's one, Lafayette Park. I don't think I've driven through there yet. I haven't made a video yet, but yeah, right there they fence it up every night. Well, I think they lock it up every night. There's like a Parks and Recs person that's in charge of taking care of that. But let's see, I think people were just exaggerating, because they were commenting saying that there's people already pitching up tents. I had to come and see for myself. It doesn't seem that way. The fence has come down. I do see people hanging out, people rolling joints, drinking. That's kind of how it used to be before, but not with the tents. Like, I'm just saying, regular people just hanging out. It's illegal to drink in public in California, but you know, sometimes they let you slide. So there's somebody smoking a cigarette back there. But yeah, this is kind of like, you know, if you're not getting crazy and you're not disturbing the public, yeah, cops kind of look the other way. You know, it seems like there's cameras up there, so it's probably like some kind of substation type thing, or who knows what the hell's going on in there. And this is the other half. It's kind of weird, right? This half of the park is fenced up. It makes no sense. We'll see what happens. Well, I'll keep you guys updated. I think people on the Nextdoor app and on the social medias are literally exaggerating a bit much, talking about people already pitching tents. Nobody camping yet. Just a bunch of people, just, I guess, coming to check out the scenery and enjoying the park just like anybody else. But if anything changes, I'll have a follow-up video. Subscribe if you want to keep up. Till next time, I guess. Peace.